You spend hours or days to make a single video and you may not even get any views or likes for your first few videos. Okay, when it comes to making money using smartphone camera or cameras in general, the most common thing many people will do is to shoot themselves in the face. No, not literally. What I mean is, people would often get in front of the camera like I'm doing right now, record videos of themselves to post on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or other social media platforms, and hope to someday begin to make money off it. Well, this first approach, as straightforward as it may sound, would not be for you if you are camera shy. Or maybe you just don't feel comfortable talking to the camera for one reason or the other. And let's face it, starting out can be really hard in the beginning if you choose to do talking head videos. There is always that early stage when you doubt yourself, struggle to come up with ideas, and when you do finally come up with one, you make mistakes after mistakes before getting better and putting out high quality contents. As a matter of fact, you spend hours or days to make a single video and you may not even get any views or likes for your first few videos. The process is daunting and takes a while to bear fruits. This is where the next 4 alternative ways to make money with your smartphone camera come in. These are tested and proven ways you can become rich using just your smartphone camera without ever showing your face. While some people are using their smartphones just for selfies and scrolling endlessly through social media, you can turn yours into a gold mine, a money-making machine. No fancy gear, no expensive setup, just your phone and a little bit of creativity, and you will be making real doughs. Speaking of making doughs, food photography is a lucrative way to eat big. See what I did there? Okay, seriously. If you are someone who knows your onions about food and you are passionate about food related stuff, you can begin to make photos and videos of food and monetize it. There are many free resources online and videos here on YouTube for guidance on how to get started. Also, this is a fancy way to tell people that you are a PFP, which simply stands for Professional Food Photographer. After all, everything is about packaging, innit? However, if you struggle with self-control in front of food and you'd rather eat all the food before snapping any photos, maybe this next one might be more appropriate method for you. Have you ever wondered how businesses, bloggers, and some content creators get photos and videos that they use? Yeah, they pay for them. These are called stock photos and videos. And with just your smartphone camera, you can capture high quality photos and videos. Whether it's a beautiful sunset, a cool cityscape, nice looking cars, or even your morning coffee. Upload and sell them on websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, IM, and others. And guess what? Someone out there needs it and willing to pay for it. After all, they say a picture is worth $1,000. Sorry, 1,000 words. But if you really want to make your pictures worth thousands of dollars, you can do real estate. You see all these corporate guys in real estate, they have a whole lot on their plates that they do not have time to profile pictures and videos on properties. That is where you come in. You can help fill in that gap. Real estate photography and videography is a big deal. Some people may argue that that field is already saturated. But remember, there is enough water in the fish, or is it enough fishes in the water to swim? Anyways, what I'm saying is that you are going to have to start small. In fact, you may have to offer to provide free services for some businesses around you when you are just getting started, in order to build a portfolio or gallery, which will be useful to secure much bigger paid gigs later on. You can also cover social events such as weddings or birthday parties for friends and families. Or maybe you are someone that likes free boxes of gifts, but you don't want to provide free services for the real estate guys. Well, this other one is specifically for you. You can review products and get paid. Many companies are always looking for people to test and review their products, and they are mostly willing to pay for it. You can sign up for platforms like Influencer or Amazon Vine and get free products in exchange for honest reviews. Plus, brands might even pay you for your video reviews. You unbox, record, review, boom, money in the bank. That's what I call a gift that keeps giving. There are many other methods to make moolah, which I haven't covered in this video because of time. Truth is, options are limitless when you are determined. The important thing is to choose an area of interest and improve your skills in it. You cannot afford to be a jack of all trades. Build a profile and name for your brand so that when people visit your page, they are able to easily recognize what you specialize in and how well you have grown over time. For example, this entire video was recorded using a smartphone camera. If you've enjoyed this content so far, please kindly like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments how you've been using your smartphones to make extra money. Till next time, shoot on. Bye.